Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where today we'll be discussing the best seat covers for the Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a popular midsize SUV that's known for its spacious interior and comfortable ride. However, with daily use, your Highlander's seats are prone to wear and tear, spills, and stains. That's where seat covers come in. Not only do they protect your seats from damage, but they also add a touch of personal style to your vehicle. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the best seat covers available for the Toyota Highlander, so you can keep your SUV looking and feeling great. Number 1. Upgrade your car's interior with the Untitled 5 car seat covers, perfect for your Toyota Highlander. These seat covers are a game changer, providing an eye-catching and stylish look while also protecting your seats from wear and tear. The high-quality materials used in construction ensure durability and longevity, while the ease of installation makes them a convenient addition to your car. The Untitled 5 car seat covers are a must-have for anyone who wants to add a touch of sophistication to their ride without breaking the bank. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 2. Car seat covers are an absolute game changer for anyone looking to upgrade the look and feel of their Toyota Highlander's interior. The sleek and stylish design of these covers is sure to turn heads, while their durable construction ensures that they will stand up to the rigors of daily use. Whether you're looking to protect your seats from spills and stains or simply want to give your car a fresh new look, car seat covers are the perfect solution. So why wait? Transform your Toyota Highlander's interior today with car seat covers. Number 3. If you're looking for high-quality car seat covers that fit like a glove on your Toyota Highlander, look no further than Jetta car seat covers. Made with premium materials and expertly crafted for a precise fit, these seat covers offer superior protection for your vehicle's seats while also adding a touch of style to your ride. Whether you're driving around town or hitting the open road, these covers will keep your seats looking great and feeling comfortable. Upgrade your driving experience with Jetta car seat covers today. Number 4. Looking to give your Toyota Highlander a new look? Look no further than Oasis Auto car seat covers. These stylish and durable covers are the perfect addition to any Highlander. The high-quality materials used in these covers ensure that they will stand up to wear and tear, while the eye-catching design will turn heads wherever you go. The easy installation process makes it a breeze to upgrade your interior without breaking the bank. So why wait? Give your Highlander the upgrade it deserves with Oasis Auto car seat covers today. Number 5. PTYYDS Fit 2020 to 2023 car seat covers are a must-have for any Toyota Highlander owner looking to upgrade the interior of their vehicle. These covers not only provide a sleek and stylish look, but also offer premium protection for your car seats against spills, stains, and wear and tear. The high-quality materials used in these covers ensure durability and longevity, making them a smart investment for any car owner. Installation is a breeze, with easy-to-follow instructions and a perfect fit for the Toyota Highlander. Upgrade your car's interior with PTYYDS Fit 2020 to 2023 car seat covers and enjoy a comfortable and stylish ride every time. Number 6. Transform your Toyota Highlander's interior with Untitled car seat covers. These high-quality seat covers not only provide exceptional protection for your seats, but also add a touch of style to your ride. Made from durable materials, these seat covers are designed to last for years and resist wear and tear. With a custom fit specifically for the Toyota Highlander, installation is quick and easy. Plus, the comfortable design of these covers ensures a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. Upgrade your Highlander's interior with Untitled car seat covers today. Number 7. Introducing the Tomato Man car seat covers, the ultimate solution for your Toyota Highlander. These sleek and stylish covers not only add a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's interior, but also provide excellent protection for your seats against dirt, spills, and wear and tear. The covers are made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and comfort, making them perfect for long drives or daily commutes. With their easy-to-install design and tailored fit, these seat covers are the perfect addition to your Toyota Highlander. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your vehicle's interior with Tomato Man car seat covers today. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best seat covers for your Toyota Highlander, there are many options available in the market. However, the ones we've reviewed in this video stand out for their durability, comfort, and easy installation. Whether you prioritize protection from spills and stains or simply want to enhance the appearance of your vehicle's interior, there's a seat cover option to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope that this video has helped you make an informed decision on the best seat covers for your Toyota Highlander.